Hello everybody and welcome to Tactical Expressions. Today we're going to show you how to change your regular mil-spec takedown pins to our extended lightweight pins. They're not only going to provide you a better look to your rifle, they're going to have much better grip every time you take down your rifle for maintenance or cleaning. First, go ahead and make sure your chamber is clear. Now go ahead, separate your upper receiver with the lower. Just simply press on your takedown pins. To remove your rear takedown pin, you have to loosen up your castle nut and pull your receiver end plate. Just simply grab your arm wrench and loosen up this nut. You don't have to remove your spring or detain. Just kind of wiggle it around, move around, push this detent, or you can grab something sharp. I'm using really thin punch. Just push this detent down to your receiver and you'll be able to release your mil-spec takedown pin. If your detent will come out like here, just simply find something to slide it back into a receiver. Grab your new Tactical Expression takedown pin and simply slide your new pin right in there. Now it's already installed. Press on your receiver end plate and tighten your castle nut. Check for function, see if it locks really good. In my case it's perfect, and don't forget to tighten your castle nut. With your front takedown pin, you actually gonna do a little more work. Just be very careful. Your detent actually can shoot away from you because it's under the pressure of the spring. To remove this takedown pin, just simply grab something thin. I'm using again this punch. Just slide it down, turn your takedown pin. Here, just be very careful. You do not pull your takedown pin, otherwise your detent will shoot away together with the spring. I highly recommend you to get a little tool like this. You can find it pretty much anywhere. Cost only a couple of bucks. Really makes your life easier when you're replacing this front takedown pin. Just simply press this rod on your takedown pin at the same time while you're holding it. Just like that. So now your detent with the spring under the pressure. Now just grab your new Tactical Expression takedown pin and line up with your rod, and just be very carefully put your pressure around this area to make sure the detent will not push your takedown pin away from you. Here we go. Now just simply turn this around. Your detent is now locked and you can simply use your new takedown pin. If you lose your detents and springs, or if you just simply don't have them, Tactical Expression also offer parts like this. Now go ahead, grab your upper receiver and simply install it in your over. Now look how much grip you have when you are removing your takedown pin. It's just so easy to grab on them without breaking your nails or pushing your takedown pin all the way into your receiver. Very, very easy. That's why I really like these extended takedown pins by Tactical Expressions.